Friends, you have to start with solve example of page number 70. So, first example is find the sum of n natural number. The n natural numbers are, first number is, you know that natural number will start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 last term will be n. Okay? If you want to find out the sum of the n natural number at that time, the AP will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 n. The common difference between the natural number is 1, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Means common difference will come 1. So from the given AP, this is the first term, T1 is equal to 1. This is the last term, Tn is equal to n. Last term is represented by Tn. Tn is equal to n. And the common difference between the two consecutive terms is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 1. Or the common difference between the two consecutive natural number is always 1. So you have to use the formula, simple formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2, first term multiplied by first in bracket first term plus last term. So you have to put the values n as it is. You have to write first term will be 1, last term will be n, and this you will write as n multiplied by 1 plus n, you will write n plus 1, n into n plus 1 upon 2. Sum of the first n natural number will be, you will write like this, n into n plus 1 upon 2. But by the another formula, this is one of the formula, this is the second formula, same answer has to come. So I will solve this example by the another method also. This formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of a is 1, value of d is 1. So you have to put the value of a and d. So this becomes n upon 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2. n minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to n minus 1. This 2 plus n minus 1. This n plus 2 minus 1. This you have to rearrange properly. This 2 plus n minus 1 you will rearrange like this. N as first of all you have to write. After that 2 minus 1 you have to write. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. N upon 2 as it is you have to write. Then n multiplied by n minus 1 upon 2. And this you will write as n into n plus 1 upon 2. The answer of this and this is one and same. Though the method is, formula is different. This formula is, this is one of the formula and this is the another formula, but the answer will come same. Everybody understand? By both the methods I solve this example. In the notebook you have to solve in the same way. Then you have to start with the next example. Find the sum of the first n even natural number. Here they are saying find the sum of the n natural number. Here they are saying find the sum of the first n even natural number. So first n even natural numbers are, so even natural number will start with 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If natural number will start like this, these are the natural numbers. If you want to find out the even natural number, at that time multiply each term by 2. At that time this become 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, like that. 2, 4, 6, 8. And if last term is n, this last term will be 2n, 2 multiplied by n. Everybody understand? And last term will be 2n. Then in the same manner, first term T1 is equal to a is equal to 2. Then common difference between the two consecutive even numbers is always 2. This T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And the last term will be 2n. So you have to put the value of put the values in the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket first term plus last term. N upon 2 as it is. First term is 2 and last term is 2n. First term is 2 and last term is 2n. You have to put the value n upon 2, 2n plus 2. This n upon 2 as it is. You have to write this as 2 multiplied by n and 2 multiplied by 1, because you have to take out 2 common in between the terms. So if I will take out 2 common, at that time this becomes n plus 1. This becomes n plus 1. If I will take out 2 common, at that time this becomes n plus 1. So you have to write in the product form n upon 2 multiplied by 2 into n minus 1. Here is the product in between the terms. So after solving the bracket, you have to write in the product form. And after that 2 is cancelled with this 2 and this answer will be n into n plus 1. Means this is the sum of the n sum of the first n even natural number. I will write therefore sum of first n natural number is equal to n into n plus 1. Then you have to find out by the second method, Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to put the value of a as 2 and value of d as 2. Here n upon 2 as it is 2 multiplied by value of a as 2, n minus 1 value of d as 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 multiplied by n minus 1, 2 multiplied here you have to, this B2 law you have to utilize, 2 multiplied by n is equal to 2n, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. This term you have to rearrange, 2n you have to write first, 4 minus 2 you have to write, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 will come. So n upon 2, 2n plus 2, here you have to take out 2 common. If I will take out 2 common, at that time n plus 1 will remain in the bracket. So this 2 will cancel with this 2 and our answer will be n into n plus 1. This answer and this answer is one and same by both the methods. Means this is the method second, this is the method first. In this example also, this is the method second, this is the method first. So you have to write all these things in the notebook by both the methods properly. Thank you.